to monetize and get more engagement in your Facebook star community, guess where I am? I am in the bizstackpro community hub. I'm going to show you how to set all these up, how to set the post up and put some links in so you can monetize your own community. And also there is a leaderboard on here, and I'm level 3, but the more you engage, the more points you get. And then you can get 3 levels of prizes. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now, guys. So we're inside AI Powered Profits. You are all invited to join this. This is how to make an ebook with ChatGPT, put it on Warrior Plus, get affiliates, rinse and repeat. Make ebook, add to Warrior Plus, make the sales page, emails. Boom. Okay. So when you get into this, it looks like this. So what I'm going to show you is, first of all, if you want to make a new group, you just create a new group, put your name, your little pictures on, but I've already done that. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to log into here and I'm going to add another one. Now, what shall we add? We would like introductions, share your wins, weekly updates. This one. So that's called a channel. So we want to call it weekly updates. And then we can just, if you use the emojis, they're more colourful. So you can use anything you like. I use that one. And it's as easy as that. Make as many or as little as you like. Now, if you want to add some products, for example, add some links. You add your link. And for example, AI Powered Profits. Then you put your URL, which I'm just going to put AI Powered. This is just the sales page, but you put the actual link to your products. AI Powered Profits.co.uk, and you add a link. Now, you can do as many of those as you like. While I'm here, I'll just show you those in a sec. Gamification and rewards. Gamification. This is where you edit beginner. And then you can put rookie. Ask ChatGPT what to put where. And Bob's your uncle and Sally's your auntie. Okay, so that's how you do that. Then you go down here and you add your reward. So you can reward free ebook, and then you could put engagement mastery, for example. You can put whatever you like. Mastery worth, I don't know, $47. Just make it up. I'm just making it up, so I'm being quick, so you can copy and follow really easily. And then for the next level, the reward could be, I don't know, video training, AI Powered Profits. Okay, you get the gist. Save it. Then X out. So you've got your weekly updates and you've got your link to your paid product. And let's have a look at the leaderboard. So you've got your beginner, rookie, and those are your levels. Come and join AI Power Profits, guys. I'll put the link below. We need excited people who want to win prizes. And if you want to join the community, give value, take everything you've learned back, that is brilliant. So get BizStackPro today. Click the link below. See you on the next video.